Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Venmo app taking forever to load or just spins endlessly every time you open it, even when your internet is fine? Here are 3 iPhone fixes that speed it up immediately. First, go to your settings app and then there toggle the airplane mode on. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. This resets your entire iPhone's network connection from scratch and forces a clean, fresh signal. This one trick alone fixes the slow loading issue most of the time. If it's still slow after that, go to your settings app and then scroll down to find Venmo in the app list or directly search for it. Once you do that, tap on it and make sure that background app refresh is switched on. Without this, Venmo always starts loading from zero every single time you open it, which makes it feel very slow. Finally, head back to your settings, then go to General, iPhone Storage. Check the storage bar at the top. If your iPhone storage is nearly full, apps like Venmo run noticeably slower. Tap Offload app on any unused app to free up space quickly. After doing all these three, Venmo will load much faster and that's it. So all you gotta do is go to airplane mode, reset for network, background app refresh for Venmo, free up iPhone storage, Venmo will load fast again. Subscribe for more Venmo fixes.